Hello everyone. Today I prepared a video tutorial to help you understand what to expect when you unbox, install, and begin writing using your Wacom tablets. So let's get started. Here's what you could expect to find when you open your box. You'll have a stylus, and on the side of your stylus there are two tabs. One is used to right click and the other one is used for scrolling. Your stylus comes with a tip already installed. However, the box includes replacement tips as well as the device to help you take out the old tip and put in a new one in case the old one wears down or breaks. Also in the box is a USB cable that connects one end into your tablet and the other end into your computer. And of course your tablet is in the box as well. On the side of your tablet you'll find a sleeve to keep your stylus safe and keep the two items together when they're not in use. Before we can begin downloading the software from the Software Center, it's necessary to be logged into the district's network using the VPN client. That's the Virtual Private Network, and you can log into the Virtual Private Network by going to the Cisco application in your program menu. A box will appear that says connect, and you type in the same password that you used to log into your computers. You can skip this step if you are logged into your computer and you happen to be in one of the district buildings, because you're already logged into the network anytime you log into a computer in one of our buildings. Once you have established that connection to the PASD network, it's time to click on the Software Center icon on your desktop. You'll see a list of applications, and one of them will be the Wacom application. You don't see it on my desktop. That's because I've already installed it, but had I not already installed it, I would see the icon here. You click on your icon and you click the purple button that says install. It should start installing for you right away, and when the installation is finished, it'll prompt you to restart your computer. In the email that we received from the technology department with the instructions to download the software, it mentions not to plug in your USB until after you have completed the installation. That may be great for you. For me, I was not able to install the software until I plugged in my USB cable. So one way or another, it's still very simple, but you will need to restart your computer after the installation is completed. Here's what you can expect to see if you decide to visit the Wacom website. I personally didn't find a whole lot of useful information here about the application and use of this product in our particular setting. Here's how to use your writing tablet to mark up a PowerPoint presentation. On the bottom left-hand corner of your slide, you're going to see a back arrow, a forward arrow, followed by an annotation feature. Click on the annotation feature. I'm going to select a blue pen, and now you're ready to use your tablet for writing. Anything that I write on my tablet is going to show up on my computer screen. You know where your pen is going to write because if you hover your pen over your tablet, you can see where to start and stop. So you can write here or here or here. So gives you nice flexibility. I like using this as opposed to using my cursor or my mouse pad to perform the same function. You could also use this and have a larger work area if you have larger math problems, or if you want to write a paragraph. Don't get discouraged if you start writing and you feel as though your writing is maybe looks sort of preschool. You'll get used to writing with the pen. And if you don't like something on the screen or anything in what you've written, you always have the option to go back to your annotations, and you can erase everything that's on the slide or just a little something that you don't like. When you're finished with your PowerPoint, you have the option of saving the annotations or discarding them. That is how to integrate your Wacom technology with PowerPoint. You can also share that same annotation feature in PowerPoint when you are in the middle of a Zoom session, or you can use the annotation feature that is part of the Zoom settings. I'll show you what that looks like. And this you don't have to use the annotation in PowerPoint. You can use it for anything at any time when you're Zooming. You click on the annotate pen, and if it's not there, go into your settings and activate it so that it does appear and you have the option to use it during your sessions. Here we go. And it works in the same way. Whatever you write in your tablet ends up showing up on your screen. It's awfully thick. Let's make that a little thinner. Much better. That's how to use the annotation feature in Zoom. Of course, there are many different options here. That same annotation feature could be used, say, if you are sharing an ebook or sharing a photo and you want to mark up your photo. It's all the same, and it works in the same way. You can also integrate your writing tablet with any type of Promethean board or whiteboard technology that you have installed on your computer. I happen to have this easy interactive technology for my whiteboard. You may have something different. But regardless of the technology, your stylus and pad are going to work the same way. The stylus will be your select tool and your writing tool, and you'll be writing on your pad. Whatever you write on your pad is going to appear on your screen. It looks like this. Well, those are all the tips I have for you today. I hope you have fun using your creative pen tablet by Wacom.